All right. Hello again, everybody. It is the Rustical, the Rusty, as Linda, Witty Widow has said. Right now, okay. Um, I am talking about today. I'm going to be talking about what's going on with Hekate again because Hekate had some words apparently about what's going on with now. In case anybody ain't aware, right? Um, Hussey has a lawyer who people have said is from Canada, right? Mr. Robert Maxwell. And a really long time ago, the bodega bus is going cha-cha, tragic. Um, did a video of him, himself calling this lawyer and pretty much harassing Hussey's attorney for absolutely no reason. So let's see what it is that Hekate had to say today, shall we? Hekate's daughter one day ago at Loudmouth Hussey, well, Robert Maxwell is grifting off you because he can't practice in Canada without an LSO license. Go ahead and sue me, Hussey. Your Canadian lawyer will be a pretty penny, and I'm not settling or signing an agreement to stop talking about you. I'll file a countersuit on your vexatious ass for wasting my time, too. You have displayed suggestive behavior on a consistent basis, and you engage in litigation abuse to shut people up. Where is the younger unconscious man in your tweet, Hussey? Whose gloved hands are holding up his head? Okay, what is this? Okay, steps for American lawyers to practice in Canada. Oh, wait a minute. No, he's not Canadian. He's just okay. Okay, because I'm getting it mixed up, right? I thought he was originally from Canada, but he's not. Okay, never mind. I assumed he was because of what Hekate is saying here. Okay, steps for American lawyers to practice in Canada. Contact the NCA. An American lawyer must apply to the National Committee on Accreditation NCA for an assessment of their legal education and experience. Complete NCA requirements. The NCA will determine what steps are needed for the lawyer to be deemed eligible for licensing. This may include taking and passing exams in core areas of Canadian law or completing specific law school courses. Complete articling. After receiving a certificate of qualification from the NCA, the lawyer must complete a period of articling, which is a form of legal internship in the province where they want to practice. Pass bar exams. Following articling, the lawyer must pass the bar admission exams for that specific province to become fully licensed. Apply to the Law Society. The lawyer must also formally apply to the Law Society of the province or territory where they intend to practice. Okay. Apocalypse Punch. Oh, wait a minute. Yeah. Okay. Apocalypse Punch. Val is a mindless idiot who follows the instructions of Carrie and wars to the internet. I've already spoken about the donation and they know this. This is a diversion tactic, and Val 420 is a dishonest POS. They simp for weirdo Hussey, too. They're a joke and think triggering someone's SA for payback is a win. Val can kiss my ass and I'll die an old hag before I answer to them. Hey, Val, maybe you can hold Hussey's hat the next time he wants to make out with unconscious men 20 years younger, since you love to protect Hussey and make excuses for non-consensual acts. You like Monty, too. You're a danger in women's spaces. Disgusting. Carrie board housewife, you think you can pay $200 to Will and use Darvo tactics on me? LMAO, you aren't off the hook because you say so. You were the sober adult on panel. And instead of ending the shit show because of TJ, you took over and asked Will to relive trauma twice. You would have put him through trauma again if I didn't stay on your ass. The idea of a third pre-recorded interview on your channel confirmed you don't give a fuck and never did. In addition to TJ's abusive behavior and sexual harassment, you manipulated Will by living out your role in his life. You withheld information that may have changed Will's mind about your dynamic. You groomed him to trust you and kept the fact you supported Shanny getting back with Rev. Didn't you tell Shanny not to answer the door when CPS knocked? You and TJ shouldn't make a single dollar from Will's exploitation, and you both are responsible for giving him all the money received. You conveniently haven't talked to TJ. Well, go talk to him or go get a job, Carrie. You can pay Will and get your share from TJ. No, your whiny lack of accountability and BS excuses are not his concern. You have some nerve coming for me like you're some saint. Pay Will his money. I donated to the stream, remember? So I'll stay asking you about it. How's that? And I'm not repeating myself in regard to my donation. You are not going to treat me like I engaged in your behavior. I answer to my audience and they receive their answer. Go manipulate your man, not me. All right. Well, since, Hecate also had words about Rampage, let's see what Rampage has recently said to Hecate. Hecate's daughter, I sure did. You're a user of people. You would expect undying loyalty to your nonsense. IMO, you're the black hussy. You tried to entrap a politician in Canada for cash, and you lost all the things you claim you care about. I know that it's your shtick, performer mods. You admitted that too. You're the gross grifter. All right. So I hope you all have another great day. As usual, I will see you.